almost 2 decades. We have Chase and Status! Come on!
London, are we locked in right now? Somebody say yeah! Stepping in. It's the sound of the mighty Jason Status.
What up, Buzz fan? Back another Beers Bars video. I'm Casey.
This is Court.
Yo, and today we checking out the boiler room session.
Get this. Chasing Status.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
So we got a beer fun hit up from Twinkling Full Stop and about 9 million requests for this boiler room.
Yep, so we about to get it. We about to get it for real.
We got ourselves a little Lachoof. They had that Christmas pack, so I got Court this new glass to go with it, and so they had some like variety pack over there. So
we
pretty
decorate
tasty.
our branches.
Yeah.
With burr.
You know, we're getting bougie over here.
Yeah.
With our burrs. Cold burrs, good music.
Yeah.
But you guys know we've been on this Chasing Status train for the last couple of weeks or a month or so now, going crazy. And this thing dropped. So just to give you guys a heads up, we're probably going to be skipping around a little bit in this. We got some timestamps in here of some of the better spots. But we're looking at here, there's some like at the peaks in here, like where people were watching the most. So we're probably going to skip around a little bit and like keep this thing moving. But looking forward to it.
Yep, let's go.
Let's do it.
Boiler room, are you with us?
Also, Buzz fam, who was there? Look at this crowd.
Yeah.
Somebody in the Buzz fam had to have been here.
Yeah, I know, y'all. Yay. So all of my Buzz fam that's across that pond right there. Yeah. And y'all dropped that up in there. Like if y'all were part of this experience.
Right.
Man.
And is this boiler room, is this like a common thing that they do a lot of DJ stuff?
Like, was it everything I dreamed of? Was it everything I dreamed it would be?
Banging on niggas from the day I was born. Why you think that my heart is cold? I got problems to my parents' door. That's only right that I give them the world. And I got beef that can never die down, and I'm still gonna bang when I'm old and bold. Rastafari.
It sounds like Sin to me a little bit, but I don't know who.
Oh man.
Hang on.
That's only right that I give them the world. And I got beef that can never die down, and I'm still gonna bang when I'm old and bold. Rastafari.
No, it's not Cinch. Who?
Nah, it's not Cinch. It's fuck. Oh man, dude.
Buzz fam, you gotta have to let us know.
Right, put off in the split and choose this life and only John knows. The dead then dead, my beef. I'd rather kill than get killed by a knee. Through one ear, the other it leaves. I don't even listen when pussy or speak. 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 Bitch nigga, what you saying to me? I don't even listen when pussy or speak.
Oh man, dude, this would be crazy, bro.
I would be losing my mind up in here.
Dude.
I would be losing my mind.
Yeah.
I would be spilling my drink and everything, man. Like it'd have been gone. It'd be spilling on the next man or the next female out there.
Yeah.
For real.
Buzz fam, some of y'all ask how we stay in our seats for some of this. It is hard.
Yeah, for real. For real.
I don't even listen when pussy or speak.
Okay, Chase.
Man.
Okay, he coming in hard right off the rip. Dang, he got that shit bumping.
Damn.
Oh man,
that's what's up.
Love it. Boiler room.
The section.
Banging on niggas niggas from the day I was born. Why you think that my heart is cold? I brought problems to my parents' door. That's only right that I give them the world. I got beef that can never die down, and I'm still gonna bang when I'm old and bold. Rastafari put up in the split to the truth. This life and all the jar knows. The dead, then dead, my beef.
Fredo.
Fredo? No, I don't think it's Fredo.
Man, listen, like I already know that y'all gonna like light us up for this, though, like for real.
He sounds so familiar though.
I know, cause like I know it ain't Dave. Like I
No,
know
it's not Dave. It like could be P, but I don't think it's P.
Nah, man, I got to be like, oh man, I have to.
Could be
like
Fredo.
Fredo.
It might be Fredo.
Fredo or Cinch, like one of them, man. Like I know, man.
It might be Fredo. You might be right. Buzz fam, you gotta drop it. Drop it in the comments.
Yes.
Old and bold. Rastafari put up in the split to the truth. This life and all the jar knows. The dead, then dead, my beef. I don't kill and get killed by a knee. Through one day out the other it leaves. I don't even listen when pussy on sleeves. 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 Bitch nigga, what you saying to me? I don't even listen when pussy on speak. Bitch nigga, what you saying to me? I don't even listen when pussy on speak.
Dude, I didn't know he could spin them tables like that. Drop that beat with that.
Man, this is insane, man.
This is crazy.
Dude, oh my God.
Bro, yo, Buzz fam, you guys been listening to this for 20 years? We sleeping. We've been sleeping.
No.
Oh, man.
No.
Ain't going to be
Not
no
that.
sleeping after
Not
this.
that.
You're
for
awake
real.
for a week.
Bitch nigga, what you saying to me? I don't even listen when pussy on speak. Bitch nigga, what you saying to me?
All right.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh man, that drop
Buzz
is so
fam,
dope.
I now
Man.
understand why you giving my man Charlie Sloth so much heat for DJing that 30-minute session that we did. Remember with that drum and bass session we did with Skibbity and Harry Shada and all them?
Yeah.
Right. So a bunch of people in the comments were like blowing up Charlie for not being able to mix the beats together properly, right? To keep them going and all that stuff. And I was like, I don't think he did that bad. But now listening to this, I was like, yeah. I see.
Bitch nigga, what you saying to me?
London, are you with us?
Get caught by the guys on the blocks and test. Get caught by the guys on the blocks and get caught by the guys on the blocks and test. Get caught by the guys on the blocks and
That's hard.
Who's with us?
I don't even listen when pussy on speak. Bitch nigga, what you saying to me?
Who's with us?
Pussy on speak. This song gets dropped and you know that it's us.
Yeah. Here we go.
But fam, you're gonna have to let me know how some of you be driving while listening to this. There ain't no chance.
Yeah, man, this is like one of those. Hey, like he's got to like pull over and just like let it just like marinate.
Yeah.
No, for real.
Ain't
Yo,
no
man, I'll tell
driving.
you what, man. Like you know who would love this, man? Yo, man, our boy freaking Hobo Mingo would love
Jake.
this right here.
Yeah.
Like he would just like go crazy over this shit, man.
Yeah, one of our
Real.
buddies does a bunch of producing, and he likes to make this kind of stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
He's more on the electronica tip, but like,
Yeah.
he would
Yeah.
definitely like
Yeah,
this
for
for
real.
sure. We have to send this his way.
Oh yeah, we got it.
That kind of reminds me of that dude on that
General
30
Levy.
General Levy. Yeah, that's what I was
man, that's what I was thinking about
like,
too as well.
Yeah, I was like the general in town right now coming up.
Yeah,
on
man,
this
just
shit,
like you're
yeah.
like mixed up in there.
Yeah. I can see why you guys said that this bird dubstep. Like 100%. That
This is like freaking cancel that shit.
yeah, it's
for
like
real.
well, I mean, that's where it took off, right? Like, because they're all saying like dubstep and like all the other like technos and all that stuff.
Man,
Basically came from drum and bass.
yeah, man. This
But it's crazy.
Give it up, never serve no purpose. Delete, but enough of them a virus. Give it up, never serve no purpose. Delete, but enough of them a minus. Give it up, never serve no purpose. Delete, but enough of them a virus. Give it up, never serve no purpose. Delete, them a go come for life up.
Yeah, dude. My man is fire, bro.
yeah, man. My man going
All right.
off.
All right. Let's bring it forward a little bit to one of these next, like, getting hype. Spin it out.
Oh, yeah.
Children don't know what is that, children don't know. Children don't know what is that, children don't know. Children don't know what is that, children don't know. Mash up, dance, all on tear down, station. Children don't know what is that, children don't know. Children don't know what is that, children don't know. Children don't know what is that, children don't know. Mash up, dance, all on tear down, station.
Somebody scream!
That sounds familiar, right?
Yeah, but I know that's what I'm trying. Oh man.
That sounded real familiar.
Dun.
Somebody scream!
Sound like some Beach Boys or
Yeah,
something.
man.
Like back in,
I don't know. Like I think you know what, some more dancehall type stuff too, man. But I'm
Yeah.
just trying to put my finger, on which joint that was from though. Yeah.
Somebody scream! London, we locked in.
Check your politics, drop the beats on, and enjoy your
It's
day.
amazing.
Liquor and cigarettes still on my breath. 20 missed calls, one
that's the one we just did, liquor and cigarettes.
yeah.
Hell yeah, let's go.
liquor and cigarettes still on my breath.
Buzz fam, if you haven't seen it, we already reacted
Y'all
to
need
that
to
whole
go
song.
check that
Go
out.
check that out. It'll be linked
Real.
below.
20 missed calls, 150 texts. She said, I know that you've been out with them other chicks. I keyed your car up and I'm on my way to see my ex. Liquor and cigarettes have got me in a mess. But right now I'm up and I think I feel my best. Shouting leads to arguing, from arguing to sex. I like to party, I hardly think that it's disrespect. She said, yeah, I said, yeah, I don't care. She said, yeah, I said, yeah, I think that
minutes off and enjoy your stay.
Liquor and cigarettes still on my breath. 20 missed calls, 150 texts. She said, I know that you've been out with them other chicks. I keyed your car up and I'm on my way to see my ex. Liquor and cigarettes have got me in a mess. But right now I'm up and I think I feel my best. Shouting leads to arguing, from arguing to sex. I like to party, I hardly think that is disrespect. She said, yeah, I said, yeah, I don't care. She said, yeah, I said, yeah, I think that I made it clear. Then we stared, looked straight into her eyes. I said you're about to have the best night of your life. I said you're about to have the best night of your life.
Wait. Run it.
Liquor and cigarettes have got me in a mess. But right now I'm up and I think I feel my best. Shouting leads to arguing, from arguing to sex. I like to party, I hardly think that is disrespect. She said yeah, I said yeah, I don't care. She said yeah, I said yeah, I think that I made it clear. Then we stared, looked straight into her eyes. I said you're about to have the best night of your life.
Switch.
Yo, I really like that we get to see, because remember they had that interesting music video to the last one, right?
Yeah.
They're going around the town or whatever, but this is cool because you get to see like the people,
Yeah, man,
how they
like, the
react
people was
to
just, like,
this,
going insane.
Yeah, it's going
Man.
nuts. Like it's super dope, bro. Dude, this dude is on fire on that
Yeah, he
table.
is, man.
Switch.
Liquor and cigarettes still on my breath. 20 missed calls, 150 texts. She said, I know that you've been out with them other chicks. I keyed your car up and I'm on my way to see my ex. Liquor and cigarettes have got me in a mess. But right now I'm up and I think I feel my best. Shouting leads to arguing, from arguing to sex. I like to party, I hardly think that is disrespect. She said, yeah, I said, yeah, oh.
Is that Rihanna?
I don't know. It kind of sounded like her.
I like to party, I hardly think that is disrespect. She said yeah, I said yeah, I don't care. She said yeah, I said yeah, I think that I made it clear. Then we stared, looked straight into her eyes. I said you're about to have the best night of your life. Looked straight into her eyes. I said you're about to have the best night of your life. Liquor and cigarettes still on.
Wait. Somebody show me a picture. Somebody raise the head. Put a mighty fist in status. Fire to that. Fire to that. London.
Yeah.
You know what time it is?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Drum and bass. Long live drum and bass. Long live drum and bass. Said long live drum and bass. Long live drum and bass.
Them deep in a dance, in a the gun shop. When every gun get up and start fire shot. The sound we are clearing, the sound I power. We big machine gun and the gate master. A double bounce shot me up the bartender. Matic just arriving a Range Rover. Him and the top 28 fire. Me know them sound boy they start trouble.
my man right here in the back, right behind him, he knows like every single word.
I know, right?
He's a real one. He's like, I love
man.
this
I know,
shit.
I know.
I'm about it. I'm about that life.
Yeah, man.
Are you ready?
Listen, cut the wrong on the microphone, stand boy, retreat. Sound boy, surrender, retreat.
London, what do we say?
Retreat. Sound boy, surrender, retreat.
London, tell 'em.
Retreat. Sound boy, surrender, retreat.
Here we go.
Retreat. Sound boy, surrender, retreat. Jesus, status, go and turn you over. Retreat. Sound boy, surrender, retreat. Jesus, status, go and turn you over. Retreat. Sound boy, surrender, retreat. 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 Jesus, get us right on your over.
Because the sweet and unique. The girl them with it, sexy physique.
The way he is flipping this stuff, dude.
And then I love how, you know, some of the dancehall is getting incorporated into this too, man. And it's like seamlessly, man. Because like you hear that boom ka boom ka boom boom. That's all you know, like, boom, ka, boom, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? And it's like it just like fits perfect, man. This is insane,
Dude,
man.
it's crazy. All right,
Damn.
let's bring it forward.
We are bust off the top. We are set trend, them a take box. No, we no big friend, we no do that. That's them of all time, if you know that. If you this way, you must get slapped. All the selectors to play a tough cut. Cause a boy body jump through you full of tough cut. Tell the selector to come a tough cut.
Okay.
Tell the selector, boy, just cut. All the selector to play a tough cut. Cause a boy body jump through you full of tough cut.
Okay, Busman, you're gonna have to let me know which song this is on his new album because I want this is so far. This is one of my favorite.
Shoot, man.
This is crazy.
Shoot, man. I want the one, you know, with that dancehall flavor mixed up in it, man. Like I want this one too, man. I want
This is
all, man.
good.
I want everything.
This is good.
Man, I want everything.
Circle the block, come through in all block. Say them better than we won't do them look chat. Them a wear frock, we a bust off the top. We a set trend, them a take box. No, we no big friend, we no do that. That's them of all time, if you know that. If you this way, you must get slapped. All the selector for play a tough cut. Cause a boy body drop, through him full of tough chat. Tell the selector for come a tough cut. Tell the selector, boy just drop. All the selector for play a tough cut. Cause a boy body drop, through him full of tough chat. Tell the selector for come a tough cut. Tell the selector, boy just drop.
dude is going ham on them tables, bro. Going ham on them tables. And I think this is about to get crazy. Yeah, this is like right around the time where it gets nuts.
Lordy, are we locked in? Are we locked into the sound of the mighty Jason Status? We firing!
Yeah. Dude,
yeah, this is
it's crazy, bro. I'm super impressed by this dude's ability, like, to keep this whole thing going like this entire time. You can tell that he's been doing this for a really long time.
I just think that, you know, just like hearing these different sounds, man, it influenced like so much stuff around the world. I'm like, you could even think of, all right, okay, you know what I'm gonna say for an example, right? Outkast, you know, Bombs Over Baghdad. Like, look at how that beat was, you know, and then the second part, you know, to Kendrick's like the King is Dead, just like how like it all went like all choppy chop like that. And it's just like other stuff out there, man, that I just like hear like all over the place. That it's just like you know, like it has that influence that,
right?
You know, it's man, it's insane, man. This,
it's impressive,
man.
Impressive,
just, speechless, man.
Hey, Boiler Room, where you there? Who's in the building?
The Boiler Room is a perfect name for this dude.
Yeah,
everybody be sweating.
Yeah, yeah. So I see like people just like wearing like minimal stuff, but like they got on like the wife beaters or whatever. Yeah. You know, like the ladies just got on just like that little whatever, like top or whatever. You know.
Yeah, it would be boiling in there.
Yeah.
Who's locked in to the sound of the mighty Jason Status? We
water, I go with the flow. I go back to old school, I go back to Rome. But this is not history, it's the start of the show. Never worry, that is the way. Chasing status a bad man. Let me say again, you can try copy like a straight to a trend.
The way he's just went into
like,
something totally different, right? He's like took that from like that whole like bop and hard, and
man.
like to like it's moving like water.
Yeah,
Like, it's
man.
like the whole thing is just smooth with it.
And then
like,
they just like waving like,
yeah. Oh, dude, that was
man.
That was a hell of a transition, dude.
Man,
a bad man. Let me say again, you can try copy like a slave to a trend. Nothing they can say and nothing they can do. It's no problem for me, but it's a problem for you.
Dude, they're crazy with this stuff, dude.
Ah, man, I know, bro.
It is insane. All right, hang on. We're gonna bring this forward a little bit because
he was talking about what, like the 42.
42. Oh yeah. The note says 42. So let's bring it right around here.
Yeah. It's like we get it like right before it starts.
Yeah.
Come again. What's more, what's next? Big money, big spend. No sign and trend. We too rough, come again. We too rough, come again.
Say them want link with the general. Say them want the medical.
You got the general. The link with the general. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Them want link with the general. Say them want the high grade medical. Them now want to move with no boy where you move like snitch and I move like federal. Say them want to roll with the gargan.
You say you move like snitch and I be moving like federal, like coming in. Oh, okay.
Snitch and I move like federal. Say them want to roll with the gargan. Them now want to roll with no pagan. Chase and status a champion. And everybody don't know the program.
London, if you with us, somebody scream.
Everybody don't know the program. Well, if I want bumbo, we'll make it start up.
Three ones are like that.
Boiler room. Boiler room, are you with us? I said, boiler room, are you with us?
Say them want link with the general. Say them want the high grade medical. Them now want to move with no boy where you move like snitch and I move like federal. Say them want to roll with the gargan. Them now want to roll with no pagan. Chase and status a champion. And everybody don't know the program. Boy could have big and thick like a organ. But if it
this bitch, I know where my people run. Boy, could have big and thick like all Kogan. But if it this bitch, I know where my people run. Boy, could have big and thick like all Kogan. But if it this bitch, I know where my people run.
Chase and state as a champion. Everybody don't know the program.
Well, if I want bumbo, we'll make it start up. Bumbo rock clot, what it up, the clot up. Well, if I want bumbo, well, come tell me now. I see the big man kill every no shadow, no. Him a no bad man, I must say madman. Bout the fire gun, shot a dead program. But them not no man, cause a cargan. Fly them blood clot, not it a me slogan.
Yo! Say them want link with the general. Say them want the high grade medical. Then now want to move with no boy where you move like snitch and I move like federal. Say them want to roll with the gargan. Then now want to roll with no pagan. Chase and state as a champion. Everybody don't know the program. Me a tell you no, run Jackarella no. Sound where you walk out, no matter where you do. Me a tell you no, this a not so. This a the big 4-5 oh no one no. This a no play thing, tiny key thing. Your ears ring, you not ear king. All that ear thing, they must be run back a gun from me virgin.
Let's go.
Yes.
Boss fam, let's go, dude. These, they're going ham on this thing right now.
Going off.
They are going off for real. The crowd's going crazy. My boy got them turned up over here. On the hype man is doing his job.
For real, man. For real.
Crazy.
Say them want link with the general. Say them want the high grade medical. Them now want to move with no boy where you move like snitch and I move like federal. Say them want to roll with the gargan. Them now want to roll with no pagan. Come on, Chase and state as a champion. Come on.
Tick, 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 tick.
Well, if I want bumbo, we'll make it start up.
Everybody don't know the program.
Buzz fam, how often do these concert things go? Like, is this like an every
this probably go until
weekend?
6 in the morning?
You are this
or weekend?
Yeah, like all the time. But I mean, like, is Chase and Status, is he like out here like performing all the time, or is it like he works on his stuff and then he comes out and like he does big shows and stuff like that?
Yeah, that's like a really good question though. You know,
or has he got like a place where he DJs regularly?
I don't know. You know what? That might be the case, man. But I think that this dude, I mean, just because of like the status, like the status, you know, that he has, you know, I'm thinking, man, yo, man, these dudes be all over. Yeah. Like all over Europe, man, just like place to place, setting up, you know, from venues just like this, man. Bam.
Just doing work. Yeah.
You never know you can batch Rudy Jungle.
London, you
up. We're bringing it forward. Right around here. I think this is where the next spot is. Yep.
Lock off them so them get a big balalala. Boy try a thing bumbo wall of his scatter. Big Gaza man now we a control the border. Chatty patty mouth them a get out of order. When they roll out with the big wall. Hear me now man. Chase and status a murderer. Lick down when the sound man on the corner. Chase and status a murderer. Lick up when the sound man on the corner. Bad boys in a London, rude boys in a Kingston, bad boys in Jamaica, rude boys in a England.
Woo! Rap, my selector. Theater, that's my selector. All the rules in the building. If you're in the building, one more time. Everybody.
I've been searching for you all night long. Now we're here alone. I've been waiting. You always were so unpredictable, but I like the tone that you take it.
This one fresh.
Oh, whenever you're near me, I can't help but get excited. I can't stay away. Oh Lord, oh, tell me back in
You already know this is crazy.
your dealing, but you know I want to.
Hey, get in, London. Oh my days. Fresh.
Oh, my baby.
This is madness. This one is a madness. Why you telling my selector? Why you telling? Absolutely good to go. We absolutely good to go.
I've been searching for you all night long. Now we're here alone. I've been waiting.
I think it's pretty cool too that they let all these people like be like right behind him.
Yeah, man, I know, man.
Normally
I'm
these
like,
dudes
ain't
are
nothing
sitting
more
up on
hype
like a
than that,
stage,
man.
right?
Yeah,
Like-
that's right. And it's
and
just
it's
like
like
they looking
everybody's
down,
down
on the
below.
crowd,
Yeah,
though,
look at-
you know, yeah. Yeah, that's like really dope, man. I like that.
This boiler room setup is pretty cool.
Hell yeah.
Now we're here alone. I've been waiting. Always was so unpredictable, but I like the tone.
Are you done?
Oh, whenever you're near
We're
me,
not
I
done yet.
can't help
London,
but
do you want
get
some
excited.
fucking
I
more?
can't stay away. Oh Lord,
Said we're not done yet.
oh, tell me back.
Boiler room. Absolutely fucking amazing. Thank you so much. Can we put our hands together and make some noise for the mighty Chasing Status? And make some noise for the very, very special last tune of the evening.
Oh yeah. Nobody better than we.
What we tell them?
Oh, let's go. Let's go, Buzz fam.
Nobody
Turn up.
better than the mighty Chasing
Turn
Status.
up.
Nobody better than London.
Yeah, brother.
Badder than. Anyway we see them, we a bang pan another one. Bust up 4 5 Nanko and Remington. Any boy this ballot on them in a Kellington.
Now who that?
Let's go.
Bad man, you know where vibes can done. Vibes can done, we kill a sound boy for fun. Big bad man from out of England. Baseline drop, I tell you.
Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we.
Badder than, bad from me part. Where you get your badder from? Chase and status.
Come now, selector.
We need a wheel up.
Come now, selector.
Oh, bring it back. Let's go.
For the mighty Jason Stater.
Killing it.
One. Absolutely nasty. Yes, so.
Badder than. Anyway we see them, we a bang pan another one. Boss up 4 or 5 now, go one Remington. Any boy this ballot on them in a Kellington. Bad man, you know where vibes can done. Vibes can done, we kill a sound boy for fun. Big bad man from out of England. Baseline drop, I tell you.
Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we.
Badder than, bad from me part. Where you get your badder from? Chase and status. Nobody badder than. Then I want see this rust up you have in your hand. Badder man, you know your style can done. Dubs them a fire.
Let's go.
Now, selector.
Badder than. Anyway we see them, we a bang pan another one. Boss up 4 or 5 now, go one Remington. Any boy this ballot on them in a Kellington. Bad man, you know where vibes can done. Vibes can done, we kill a sound boy for fun. Big bad man from out of England. Baseline drop, I tell you.
Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we.
Badder than, bad from me part. Where you get your badder from? Chase and status. Nobody badder than. Then I want see this rust up you have in your hand. Badder man, you know your style can done. Dubs them a fire like a bullet from a gun. Big badder sound from out of England. When you kill a dancer, watch your sound boy run.
So good.
Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we.
Yo, walk with the rocket launcher. I'm a guy this day program, shot a slaughter.
Dude, it's crazy. My man is crazy.
But let's also make some noise for the mighty MC Trigger. Big up that
Trigger. Gonna have to check him out, bus fam.
Anyway we see them, we a bang pan another one. Boss up 4 or 5 now, go one Remington. Any boy this ballot on them in a Kellington. Bad man, you know where vibes can done. Vibes can done, we kill a sound boy for fun. Big bad man from out of England. Baseline drop, I tell you.
Nobody better than we.
Yeah.
Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we.
Nobody better. Let's go.
Badder
bad from me bad. Where you get your bada from? Chase and status. Nobody badder than. Then I want see this rasp up you having in your hand. Badder man, you know your style can't done. Dubs them a fire like a bullet from a gun. Big badder sound from out of England. When you kill a dance, I'll watch your sound boy run.
Let's go.
Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we.
Yo. Yo, walk with the rocket launcher. From a guy this the program shot a slaughter. Them say them a bad man, me a dead with laughter. We have the big 4-5 M1 and Ruger. Bumblewall can't survive and call no. Dogs pull up for your foot and everyone a shoot. So when they gun them a bust, man maneuver. Chase and status, some boy remover. Them dead.
Let's go.
London, put your hands together for the mighty Jason Status.
Killed it.
Damn.
Killed
London, we
it.
thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thanks to
Go, Buzz fam.
Damn.
Yo, Buzz
This is
fam.
what's up?
When you see Twinkling Full Stop's comment down below, you can put a like on it.
Yes.
Super fire.
Need that. And
Appreciate you
for
putting
real.
this on. If you made it this far, like the video, because we don't usually do hour-long videos, Buzz fam.
Yeah. I know. Like it got to be like really hot like this.
It got to be
in
hot
order for
to keep us going the whole time.
For real.
Yo, obviously we skipped
Damn.
around a little bit. Let us know if we missed anything major. We should go back and peep it.
Yeah.
I mean, we're definitely gonna have to go watch some more of this stuff.
Have to.
Drop whatever else from Chasing Status or Chasing Status. We need to check out in the future. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything else. And if you haven't seen, we've done a bunch of these songs already.
Yes, y'all need to peep that though because these are some banging joints, Mo, for real.
Yo, and that Badadin.
Not Badadin.
Don't hate us when you go watch that video.
Lord have mercy.
We were like better than. Badadin. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.